I was water drunk, and you did a right. What? What? Take it off. 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 I'm American. I'm American. Take it off.
On Tuesday, October 7th, 2025, sheriff's deputies responded to a JetBlue flight following reports of an aggressive and intoxicated passenger. The subject had been physically restrained by airline crew using flex cuffs for approximately 5 hours before law enforcement assumed custody. This raises an immediate legal question: under what authority did civilian crew members restrain a passenger? And what obligations attach the moment law enforcement takes over?
Quick synopsis, what's going on?
Yeah, very quickly. About 2 hours ago, we had one of our customers who became quite belligerent and physical with us. She would not calm down. We detected she's been drinking heavily before she got on the plane. That we didn't detect until about 2 hours ago. We're suspecting there's other medication that she's been using. And so she became very physical. We did have to restrain her. We did use the flex cuffs.
Did anyone get hit or anything?
No, she pushed me a few times and grabbed us and grabbed our legs a few times. But we did put flex cuffs on her. She is
all in the back?
All in the back.
I'm going to need to talk to you later on.
Okay.
But let's just go back there and we'll let everybody disembark. We'll have her stay on the plane till everybody gets
Oh, you want everyone off first?
Everybody wants to talk first? Yeah.
Okay.
I don't get out because it's bullshit America. What she have? What she have? Nothing. You have.
Everybody go. Let them go.
You have.
How do you, ma'am?
Nah, good.
Yeah.
Can
Do you speak English?
No, yes, I speak
Okay,
English.
my
Can
name
you
is Deputy
because
Hall.
I don't have. I'm not too. Please
What's
open.
your name?
I open. It's very short. Anastasia. Anastasia Rudna. Yes.
I need you to take
Oh
a
my
deep
God.
breath for me.
Open. I know. No. I cannot feel my arm. Please open my arm. I cannot feel my arm. Please open my arm.
Actually quite normal.
Yes. Open. I ask you open. I ask you open. I have studio. I am American. I don't know any. I am the Yes, you can check. I'm American. Open the arm. I not feel. No, I am not feel my arm. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm not feel my arm. I'm not feel my arm.
All right, people, y'all can get up and get your stuff and get off the plane.
Yes, I killed someone. I killed someone.
Thank you all very much.
I killed someone. I killed someone. Hey, you relax. I say to you, oh my God, I'm not feeling my arm. I'm not feeling my arm. I'm American woman. Open my arm. I cannot feel. Can you excuse me? Can someone listen to me, please?
You want to get out?
I'm American. I want to come to be American. No one listens to me.
And,
Yeah, they asked for no. Why is it to be come to be American if no one listens to me and no one helps to me? I don't feel my arm.
Trading the code. We moved her back there. We had to handcuff her.
The whole time.
5 hours.
Well,
From what you
first thing started
ascertained.
with, she came along. We gave her 2 drinks. She was fine. She was talking to us. She seems normal. She went up to her bag, got some stuff out of her bag, came back here. She was talking. I went up, walked there. She was talking to the third to Susan. And I don't know if she went into the bathroom or not. I can't confirm that, but
Something
then she started to get loud. Yeah, she started to get loud. So we tried to quiet her down. Then the seatbelt's on us, so we set her back to the seat.
How long was you for?
A couple minutes later, the lady right there, 27, Delta came back and said that she was putting her arms on, putting her hands on her daughter, I think it's her daughter, in 25. I don't know how true that is. I didn't see it. So then I went over to talk to her. So I told her to come back. And she was starting louder and louder.
I don't have she. What did someone say she took a drink somewhere else?
Oh, yeah. And well, what I got from her when I was talking to her was that the only thing that she said was she had before was that she was in the airport and some guy got her a drink.
Yeah.
And she said that's all she had before she got aboard. She took any medication.
Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations. Part 91 authorizes flight crew members to take necessary action to protect the safety of the aircraft and its occupants. That authority is narrowly construed. It permits temporary restraint during a flight emergency. It does not authorize extended physical custody beyond what is immediately necessary. Once law enforcement assumed custody on the ground, the 4th and 14th Amendments applied immediately. The constitutional framework governing government actors does not wait for booking. The subject repeatedly stated she could not feel her arm. Loss of sensation is a recognized clinical indicator of vascular or nerve compression caused by over-tightened restraints. In City of Revere versus Massachusetts General Hospital, decided in 1983, the Supreme Court held that the government has a constitutional obligation to provide medical care to persons injured while being apprehended. That duty does not permit deferral to a future point in time when it is more convenient. The question a reviewing court asks is whether the failure to act immediately constituted deliberate indifference. Estelle versus Gamble, decided in 1976, defines deliberate indifference as consciously disregarding a substantial risk of serious harm to a person in custody. 5 hours in flex cuffs with no documented medical assessment and no conversion to standard handcuffs is a factual pattern that satisfies the threshold for a deliberate indifference claim against the airline.
She said no.
I'm Russian spy! Oh, kill me! I was proud of crap! Пидорас, you, блядь! I was what for Trump, and you пидорас, блядь! What? What? What the f***? Take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. I'm American, take it off. I'm American, take it off. Take it off. I'm American, everything in my phone. Everything in my phone.
The next thing is tasing if you kick, okay? I don't want to hurt you, so just stay calm. The only reason we put this on because you were spitting, okay?
Take it off, take it off.
We're going to take it off in the hospital, okay?
I cannot breathe.
You're not thinking clearly right now.
I cannot breathe.
Calm down.
I cannot breathe. Take it off. Take it off. I cannot breathe.
Come on, bro.
Okay, say. Okay,
Everything's fine. No one's trying to hurt you.
Okay, take it off.
Take it to the
Take it
hospital.
off. I was in hospital. I was studying hospital. Take it off. Take it off. I was studying hospital here too. Take it off, I say. Take it off, I say. I America, take it off, блядь, педрила, блядь. Take it off, I say. I was studying here in medical school. Take it off. Take it off. I said take it off.
Relax.
Take it off. I won't breathe. I won't breathe.
We're going to take you to the hospital. You're going to get some help, okay?
Yes. Take it off. I won't breathe.
The calmer you stay,
I won't
the
breathe.
safer
I
all
won't
of us are,
breathe. Take
okay?
it off.
You tried to
I
spit,
will
I'm
have
sorry.
now issue.
You tried to spit.
I know. I go to my nephew.
It's
I
only a
want
spit
to have
mask.
my
It's
nephew.
going to hurt you, all right? You're
Never
not
will
thinking
be
clearly
contact.
right now. Everything is fine.
Take
You're
it
going
off.
to see some nice
Take
doctors.
it off. Take it
And they're
off.
going to
Take it off, please. Take it off, please. Take it off, please. Take it off. I do everything for America. Take it off.
You're not thinking clearly,
I
right?
said, take it off. I come to for my blood nephew. You have my blood birthday. My nephew. My nephew had birthday. What the f?
You're gonna need to show me her
What
bag.
the?
Anastasia.
No, yes.
Gonna walk out?
Yes.
Sure.
I am American. What do you want?
get
I am
up.
proud to be American. I am American. I'm proud to be American. I'm proud to be American. I hate Russia. You can read my message. I'm proud to be American. You can read my own message. I am American.
You gonna walk, Anastasia? Thank you. All right. We're gonna walk out, okay?
Where is my stuff?
We're gonna, your purse and stuff is right here. You see the purse? We're gonna grab your bag. Come on, turn back around. Turn back around.
Can you give
We're gonna get everything.
No, can you give me a little bit space?
We're gonna give you everything.
I cannot feel my arm. Please. I am not feel my arm. I cannot.
Okay, come on, let's walk.
Oh my God, I love America. You can see my arm.
Guys, close the cockpit.
I'm here. I'm proud to be here.
I want you to close
I
the
love
cockpit
you.
door.
Can see it.
Almost there.
I voted for Trump.
It's okay.
No, it doesn't kill me.
Back
Keep
on
walking,
over
it's okay.
for
Okay, kill me.
Your bag's up front, okay?
You can kill me. Say my nephew, I love him so much. Okay, kill me. America. Oh my God.
Watch it.
Can you open the cannot breathe? Can you open it?
No, I'm sorry, Anastasia. It's gonna stay on until we get to the hospital.
Hold on. We'll get it.
No, right?
We'll get downstairs.
Oh, listen.
Deputies applied a spit mask after the subject had allegedly been spitting. The subject immediately stated she could not breathe. This is the most legally significant moment in the footage. In Kingsley v. Hendrickson, decided in 2015, the Supreme Court held that the standard for excessive force claims by pretrial detainees is objective unreasonableness, not subjective intent. Deputies responded by promising hospital care rather than immediately assessing the complaint. A promise of future remedy does not extinguish a present constitutional obligation. The verbal threats made by the subject that she had killed someone and was violent are legally relevant under Graham v. Connor. Decided in 1989, Graham establishes that the reasonableness of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene based on the facts known at that moment, not with the benefit of hindsight. Given those explicit verbal threats, deputies were constitutionally permitted to maintain elevated restraint. The concern is not the decision to restrain it, is the failure to assess a medical complaint within that restraint. Regarding the criminal charge, the subject was charged with disorderly intoxication in a public place under Florida Statute, Section 856.011. That statute requires either intoxication combined with endangerment of safety or property, or intoxication in a public place causing a public disturbance. Flight crew testimony, the duration of the incident, and the subject's own on-camera statements collectively provide a sufficient factual predicate to sustain the charge at the probable cause threshold. However, a viable defense exists. The subject stated she received a drink from strangers at the airport before boarding a drink she did not pour herself and could not verify. Florida recognizes involuntary intoxication as a complete defense. If the substance was administered without her knowledge or consent, the mens rea element of the offense cannot be established.
Was working so proud, man. For what? To be in the cell now. Thank you, God. Thanks, Mom. Thank you, everything. Thank you, God. Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you,
Nah,
God.
nobody was doing
No, I couldn't get to it.
I'm
Trying to get on. You're a criminal area, sir. You're a little big.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. I was like,
I'm proud.
She's going for it.
I do too much.
Got it?
Right. So I had to clean all my stuff out. I'm like, this probably gonna be a bad one. Did I make it without her falling? Nah, I don't know. Come on, Anastasia. You go that way. It's fine. Just get up. Come on, Anastasia.
You won't kill me. But how is that? No. Ow! Oh! You won't kill me.
Yeah. Seat's clear.
Okay,
I just cleared it up before I came in.
Can you open little bit? Ow!
Pat her down.
Oh!
Yeah, you have to.
Ow!
Come on.
Ow! I'm alone.
She's not on the road. Let me get the...
Now for grades. The responding deputies receive a grade of B. They maintained composure, used measured force, and committed to hospital transport, all consistent with constitutional requirements. The deduction reflects the spit mask response when a restrained person states she cannot breathe. Best practice and constitutional duty require an immediate physical assessment, not a deferred one. Anastasia Rudna receives a grade of C+. Her physical aggression toward flight crew was the proximate cause of her restraint and the resulting charge. That conduct carries legal consequences. Credit is given for her cooperation during the exit, her non-resistance toward deputies, and her clear communication of medical complaints through verbal channels rather than further physical escalation. The JetBlue flight crew receives a grade of B-. The decision to restrain was authorized and necessary. The failure was in duration, and monitoring 5 hours without medical evaluation is indefensible. Lessons learned. First, law enforcement must convert civilian restraints to department-issued equipment immediately upon assuming custody. This is not optional. Prolonged third-party restraints create direct liability. Second, when a restrained subject reports an inability to breathe or loss of sensation, that complaint must be documented and physically assessed on camera. A verbal acknowledgement is not a legal response. Third, airlines operating under Federal Aviation Authority must establish clear maximum time limits for passenger restraint and mandatory medical check intervals. The current regulatory gap creates substantial civil exposure. At the time of this analysis, the full resolution of any criminal charges or civil proceedings involving this incident is not available through public records. The charge was filed. The outcome remains open. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And do not forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.